Hello, welcome to hrtech.sg's online demo hour for March 2021. As part of our focus to evangelize and promote use of HR technologies, we started demo hour in 2019 to provide a platform for HR technology providers to showcase their high-tech solutions. The event motto has been only to showcase demos and not presentations. The first event happened in September 2019 at our WeWork facility in Suntec, Singapore. From 2021 onwards, we have now moved to an on-demand format. The Singapore government has been encouraging businesses to transform by adopting technology in all aspects of running the business, including the human resource function. In the recently released study on the impact of technology on human resources sector in Singapore by Institute for Human Resource Professionals, the research partner Willis Tower Watson has identified three key technology trends at the heart of HR transformation: advent of intelligent automation, rising expectations of employees for consumer grade experience, and third, shift from basic data analytics towards predictive analytics and modeling. And all these three technology trends have been accelerated by the prevalence of cloud-based, best-in-class smart SaaS platforms. Today, in this demo hour edition, one such platform, Rchilli, will be showcased, and Vinay Johar, its founder CEO, will be demonstrating how Rchilli's superior resume parsing and searching and matching functionality helps enterprises in their talent attraction and acquisition journey. In fact, Rchilli has been also featured under the talent acquisition category in the 2021 Singapore HR Tech Market Map. The market map can be accessed from www.hrtechmap.online. Thank you, Vinay, for joining in, and over to you for your presentation and demonstration.
Sure. Thank you, Shriram. Thank you very much for this opportunity. And I love to connect with everybody, specifically what Rchilli is doing and how we are changing this industry across the globe. Thank you very much. I'll not take much time. Let me show you what exactly we are and how we help the enterprises in this scale. So if I talk about Rchilli specifically, what we are is we are an AI plugin for global recruiting platforms. What is AI plugin is people have installations like Oracle, PeopleSoft, or even they have a homegrown enterprises have their homegrown recruitment systems. Those systems still need a lot of data entry, or they lack the AI part. They are very good workflow management. They are very good data management systems, but AI part is missing. So what I actually bring is that AI plugin for them, which can be embedded in any ERP systems or any enterprise systems. And the AI portion will enhance the candidate experience, recruiter experience, the matching part, a lot of interface they will do it. So let me show you what exactly we guys do in this whole platform. So Rchilli is known as the most trusted partner for providing parsing, matching, and data enrichment. Primarily, if I speak, yes, we do is jobs and resume parsing. That is a pretty big AI. I'll surely talk about a technology stack once I reach there. We have a matching engine, which is a part of many job boards, many CRM applications. Even many enterprises are using this matching engine for us. And we also have a marketplace because data extraction from a resume is no more a resume. Resume has a lot of information available. I take an example. If I know what is the LinkedIn handle of a candidate or what's the GitHub handle of a candidate, I can do wonders with that information. Even before I call candidate, I get to know, okay, this guy is on GitHub. This guy is doing these many projects for that. So that is where the marketplace plays the whole role. You want to enhance data set from resumes, we can give you those things too. So I'll talk more as we make a progress here. We'll go further. One is basically, if I talk about organizational timelines. So we started this actually almost 2010, almost a decade now. Took us almost 2 years to build our first MVP. First customer was a Wipro, and the best part is we failed when we installed it in the Wipro. They want a scalable solution. We couldn't scale the way they want to scale. We stepped back and we rebuilt the whole technology stack. Took us 6 months because knowledge was there, know-how was there. We gone back to Wipro and they were so happy with us that now it is a scalable solution. And that was the year, this 2013, 2014. And after that, we never stopped. Even today, we work with many Fortune customers across the globe. We have a customer base in 34 countries. We were able to go multi-languages. We are able to scale it out to 1 million a day type of setup. So things were pretty vast afterwards. Now let me show you what AI we have in a background. Then I'll go step by step further. AI is, if you see a resume, any recruiter which sees a normal resume, so recruiter can read out somewhere around 10 to 15 points in that resume. Oh, he has this experience, this school, this name and this age or this face or this job title. That's it. What about if software tells you 140 fields from that particular resume, not only 10, 20, 30 fields? We extract contacts, we extract educations, degrees, specializations, we extract experiences, job titles. We provide you a lot of enhanced skills and job profile data set. Like somebody says, I'm a project manager, and project manager has very good capability called risk management. Normally people don't write in a resume. So how you know that you are looking for a guy with a risk management skills? So we convert job title to skills too. That's our skills metadata. We enhance the skills technology like synonyms or ontologies by that. Example is, let us take somebody hiring a software developer. You're searching a software developer and person might have written Java developer as a job title. So we are the guys who ensure that your system understands what you want to search, not the way only the candidate has written it. So those are something in enhancements and taxonomies. Of course, as I shared earlier, social data set and other data sets. Let me take you to the product right away and show you how this AI engine works, and then we come back to the presentations. Okay, this is just a test bed, and we provide you this one since our product is purely AI plugin, which is a plug into any ERP system, and we work in a background. We don't change the user interface. We don't change anything, but we only add AI wherever it is needed, wherever the data entry is happening. Let's take an example. I'll show you at the little later slides. Candidate is coming to your portal and want to apply. So one way is you show him the complete forms like this. That's a 1 page, 2nd page, 3rd page, and you can ask him to fill up all that experience that person has. Second option is we can enable your ERP system. That candidate comes, he says, okay, I'm uploading Vinay, I'm going to upload this resume. That's it. And forms get pre-filled. There's no need to write about the candidate. Of course, you can ask certain specific questions you want. The benefit here is those 10 to 15 minutes application time is now hardly 5 to 6 seconds. And that's a remarkable experience for any candidate. They just upload a file, system pre-fill all the information, whatsoever you're looking for, all the experience 1, experience 2, experience 3, 4. Of course, don't go for UI here. We'll follow the UI of your portal. We follow the customized URL of whatsoever platform you are using. We'll follow that one. And qualification, skills, and any other information you have. Almost 140 fields are there. That's a remarkable power of Rchilli AI engine. Few fields I just want to show you. Let us say skills. Right? If I'm extracting a skills, you see, I'm also returning you a lot of ontologies of that, where exactly the skill is mentioned, quality assurance, how the other people's synonyms, how the other people are writing about the skills. We do extract that one too. So we go you and even we give you dates when last used was this particular skill set we found it. So that intelligence is there. Even if I go for experience section, if I go over here and let me show you very clearly, you see that balloon coming up. I convert the job profile, which is a product plant quality manager, to convert to some synonyms and ontologies and relationships. And a lot of things we provide that AI part, which recruiter is going to love it. Now recruiter can search, quality engineer, and job profile is plant quality manager. Of course, this will come in the search results. And that is the power of this AI engine, that software is now more knowledgeable. It understands what's going on. Let me go back to the presentation once again and show you what exactly happens that way. So how this whole system works, a little bit on a technology front. We enhance any data set. Let us say people are sending me a skill, people are sending me a job title, domains, sectors, tools, locations, or education. Now, everybody can write the way they want. Somebody says Bay Area. Oh, I'm a born brought up in a Bay Area. Somebody says East Bay. Somebody says NCR region. Somebody says anything, and that's a localization. But does every person across the world work? Because we are working in a remote geographies, how people can gonna work it out. So we are the one who train a software, any HR software, that we enrich the data and we normalize it also. If I say I did masters of technology, I did MTech, or I did postgrad, so system knows that all this means is this one, this is specialization, this is what exactly is there, and we have to return is called masters of technology as a normalized data set. You can write, any candidate can write anything, and that's intelligence which every software needs it. It's the old way that you will search the way candidate has written. Nobody has a time to do it. And if candidate is writing multiple jargon in the resume, when resume look like spam. So once we enhance this whole system, once we enhance the technologies, what you get back is 4 type of different matches. Like you don't have to do a keyword matching. That is past. The newest stuff, if you go to Amazon and you say you search the way you want and only specific result will come up, no, it is called intent-based searching. People are talking about intent-based, and that's what we are saying. You just give me the job description, forget about how it is written, who has written them. Even it is a small paragraph, it is simple 2 lines. System is going to show you the matching resumes immediately. If you have one resume, system is surely going to show you the similar resume in your database. See the power. You are getting into more relevant results as a recruiter. You don't have to waste time searching again, figuring out which keyword to put on. Just copy paste the description and stay away. Let the AI part takes care of this. Now, all these things looks very fancy unless until I show you the background of the stuff. And background is our technology stack. What you see outside, oh, you read a resume, just extract a data, or you just match a resume. No, it's not there. It is a lot of deep learning modules, a lot of machine learning is going on, like Veka is there, TensorFlow is there, neural network is there, NLP is there, ontologies are there, statistical formulas are there. So a lot of algorithms which works behind it. A team of data scientists, team of engineers, a team of programmers, dedicated programmers working almost from last 10 years to ensure what's the profile. Let the candidate write in any way they want. They use any language they want, right? We are the guys, my deep learning is going to analyze it, understands it, translate it, make it standard structure, and let your software reads it. And then when your recruiter comes up, you can come from any type of technologies you want to use. Doesn't matter to me, right? We don't care about your technology. That embedded into the system, boom, job is done. Magic is there. AI part is there. And because of this deep learning coming in, system is now learning by themselves. New formats, new job titles, new skills, new error mistakes, spelling mistakes, new grammatical mistakes. System is learning right now. It is like AI portion is manifold. If you have used Grammarly, I'm sure everybody has used Grammarly. Now, if Grammarly can correct it the way you have written, oh, its syntax is wrong and all that stuff. And these are all part of this NLP, machine learning and NLP. Sure, we have that one. So even there's spelling mistakes there, even there's a grammatical mistake going on. We are the guys who understand that one. That, sorry. Yes, that can be done. So that's the overall. If I talk about what Rchilli is able to do it, let me talk in a brief what benefit end customer will get from us. So end customer is a easy candidate apply. When candidate comes to your portal and want to upload any profile, sure, you have that one there, right? It is just 5 seconds, no more 10-15 seconds, 10-15 minutes. Candidate is engaged now in your portal. He's going to love it. Like, why he should send his resume to some job board or job profile when he loves your company? And that is what engagement happened. Data enrichment. What it'll be shocking that candidate upload a resume and very next slide you show him, hey, thank you, Vinay. Is this your picture? Just confirm. And that picture is coming from LinkedIn. You get his LinkedIn handle and you show him. and you recommend him certain more skills into the system. And that is a power. And I'm sure moment any candidate sees that experience, he will be your brand ambassador. He will telling other people, oh, go and apply that company. That is a benchmark. Recruiter life will be easy, much more easier now. No more data entry needed. AI part, software part is going to take care of that. Matching resumes, recruiter will see the results what they want to see. They search project manager, system is going to show them project lead, product manager, a VP technology, everything the system is going to show them. They don't have to struggle with right keywords, right punctuation, right stuff. Worst scenario or best scenario, just post a job description. Job is done, right? Enrich taxonomies is more for a recruiter side. They can do it and they can handle it. A few add-ons, what we have available with us. I talk about, of course, we have a parsing, which we talk about. We have a matching too. OCR we can handle, like scanned resumes, especially in a job fair or anything you're doing. Taxonomies we have, matching engines we have, data enrichments we have, marketplace add-ons we have, like you want to connect to third-party providers of data, like Indeed or Full Contact or anybody. We are the guys who can connect to them too. I take 2 more slides here, not much. Of course, let me introduce my team. Myself, Vinay, I'm a CEO, almost 2 decades of experience in industry and 1 decade with Rchilli, handling primarily into B2B space. Vinod is our CTO. He's a technology geek, almost again 2 decades of experience in technology, building technologies. Laprit is our mastermind for sales and marketing. And he manages the whole penetrations, positioning, and the way customer has to, what customer need is, and so that we can solve them correctly. And Jitendra is the guy who ensures your servers, your data is safe. I must mention, we are ISO 27001 certified, and he's responsible for that. And he manages everything end to end. Your updates, your uptime, your security, your data stuff, everything you need. He and his team manages it. Let me give you a small, brief snapshot of what Rchilli has done so far for enterprises around the globe. When I say most trusted partner for parsing matching is because we have a 500 plus enterprise customers globally in 34 countries. Specifically, if I talk about, when I say 34, it is actually 30, now it is 35 right now, almost 5 continents we have. We are processing 2.5 billion documents on our cloud servers, and we do have an on-premise model. And if I add on-premise to that, will be approximately 8 billion documents we are processing. Customers, right from startups to Fortune, no need to tell, biggest e-commerce engine, #1 private bank in India, biggest software provider, operating system provider in a worldwide, social networking sites, lot of ERP systems like Financial Force is an ERP system. We are exclusive partner with them. Accenture, L&D, Phenom people, great people. They are well-known names in this industry, and we are present almost everywhere, wherever the person is looking for. That's what we are right now. And I thanks to everybody. Thank you very much. My contact detail is here. Feel free to contact me anytime. I'm available over email or over the phone call, and happy to share it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Vinay. That was indeed a very informative session. User intent search, semantic search, parsing, 500 plus clients, and then 8 billion documents processed yearly on cloud and on premise. That's quite a bit of an achievement in just over 10 years. Congratulations on that. So Vinay,
thank you.
You've run through all of these. Just quickly wanted to find out what's if you were to ask you what is Rchilli's USP, what would be your answer?
Sure. So there's a 3 primary USP which I can bet on with any of my clients, and my industry has proven it. So one is the agility to adopt a new language. The technology we are using is all TensorFlow. When I show you the technology, these are all latest technology. These are not age-old technologies. Right, TensorFlow is 1.4 came in, I think, 2015, and we are the one to adopt that machine learning, that deep learning modules, whereas it is not available any other competitor. That's a one. Because of this technology, we are able to penetrate bigger in the market. Like we are able to handle languages like Hebrew or Arabic, where they are only people are only able to handle English look-like languages, but we are able to handle other languages too. So that technology has given us the penetration uniqueness of that. Third one is a speed. Speed is the way we process. So an average time taken to us is approximately 300 to 400 milliseconds. And if you count the millions of resumes you are processing as an organization, now you see the considerable time difference. And speed is not only this, speed is also adopting a newer language. Like we built Japanese language in hardly 3 weeks time. So that speed is everywhere, like not only in my performance, but other side also. So that there's the three things: technology, adoption to the new languages, because enterprises are global, and the speed, the way we process it. All three are pretty high in this industry right now.
Thanks, Vinay. I have one final question.
Mm-hmm.
So, earlier we used to say a future of work. The actually future is here right now. So we have started saying now of work, right? No more future
Okay.
of work.
Okay.
So a lot of companies have started pivoting, have pivoted completely in the last 12 months, if you were to look at it. So I wanted to pause here and ask you, what is your future roadmap that you have planned? Are there any clear pivots that you have taken to align with the now of work?
Sure, that's an excellent question, man. So one aspect as an organization is I want to make my client life easier. I'm not here to make your life tougher. So when we started integration with enterprises till 2019, so there's a lot of integration time was there. People have to configure, they have to hire a lot of developers. And when COVID hit and everybody has a rebreather, rethinking going on, and we also work it out. What we did is now we start integrating with already existing platforms. I take an example, PeopleSoft. If any enterprise is using PeopleSoft and they have to integrate us, earlier till 2019, this process was almost 1 to 2 weeks. Now, standing today, this process is hardly 15 minutes. Now you see the considerable shift we are making. So that makes me quick POC, that makes me quick stuff. So let me show you where all we are integrating. Let me share my future slides too. So we divided our whole future growth into different segments. So we talk about B2C. So Zapier is a connector, Zapier is an MS Flow Automate. They are and Workato. These are all marketplaces available. HubSpot is a well-known CRM. So we are part of them too. Oracle PeopleSoft, that I just share a story that we are there. Oracle Cloud will be there by next year. So they have given us approval. Now integration, testing, verification, security review is all going on. And once that is done, what you have to do is just you install an app in your phone, the same installation process is there. See the power of AI within 5 minutes. MS Dynamics, success factors, we are going to go with enterprise segments too. Newer product, yes, we have a taxonomy coming in, we have marketplaces coming in, hostings we are going to provide now. Courtesy Google and AWS. So they have offered us that, okay, why don't we do it? Data migration, you want to move from one CRM applications to another CRM applications. We have that services available too. We have ready plugin with approximately around 40 plus applications, and more we can build it out. ATS, you will start seeing a greenhouse by this month end, March 2021. You will see us there in their marketplace. Zoho, you will see them in their marketplace too. Bullhorn is going on, and Salesforce will be available next month. So means if you're a Salesforce ERP user as an enterprise, you want to use our AI engine, what you have to do is just go to App Exchange Marketplace, click on Rchilli and say select. That's it. No installations, no coding, no performance. 5 minutes, I'm there. It is just like you just install an app on a phone. That's a whole simple installation we are building, and that is what initiative we did in last 1 year, specifically in the distribution side, that we make customers' life easier. Their testing process, their scalability process should be much easier, much simpler. Does it answer your question?
Bang on target, Vinay. Thank you very much for being on the March edition of Demo Hour. It was indeed a pleasure to host you and Rchilli, and it's great to know about your product. Wishing you the very best for the road ahead, Vinay. Thank you very much.
Sure. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ram, and good luck to whole your team. And we appreciate your support. And any queries you have, we are happy to answer them. Thank you very much.